Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video guys, I will be showing you how I clean or wash my makeup brushes. This is all of my makeup brushes and they are hella dirty. I've washed them like a few months ago na. I know it's very disgusting. I know that you have to wash them regularly because duh, like dagan kayong bacteria and everything like that. Easy yun kay ko, so maybe that's why my breakouts does not stop. So today I have decided to finally wash them, and also I bought this big fluffy brush from Shopee. Before ka mag-use a brush, you really need to wash the brush. Hindi lang because kay para ma-clean siya, but also the quality gets better after washing it. This is the brush that I bought sa Shopee, which is so big. It's like short, but grabe siya ka-fluffy. It's my hand, and that's the brush right there. So, without further ado, let's start this video. Okay, we are in the CR right now. First things first, I'm going to wet all the brushes. So, I'm gonna use this tabo. Ako na siya butangan ng water, then I'm gonna dump the brushes here. Ako unahon ang mga big brushes, and this is the kabo. This is the tabo that has water, and I'm just gonna put it right there. Like that. I bought my brushes sa Shopee lang. Kanang mga cheap gali kayo na brushes. If imo lang yun sila i-take care and i-wash mo sila properly good, it really works. They're soft and they're not like harsh skin. So I use this tool right here. It looks like this. Kanina ay murag mga ridge. And this kaning mga pointy thingy. It's a silicone nga tool that I bought in Watsons, and it's like a brush cleaner. Mo lang i-swirl yung brush here, and it will get rid of the product, of course. So, ang soap na akong gina-use for my brushes, I do not use like karang body soap. I use shampoo lang. It's just like ang nasa akong head kay since they're hair, I know that they're like synthetic hair, but they're still hair. Kung ako i-wash akong hair with soap, dili siya ma-soft. But kung ako i-wash akong hair with shampoo, ma-soft siya. So it's just like the same logic that I apply on my brushes. So I'm gonna start first with my blush brush. This is my blush brush. I bought this again from Shopee. Ang first na magbuhatan kay butangan ako siya og gamay lang kaayo na shampoo, like this little lang gid ko. And then I'm going to start on swirl here, like just like that, like so. And as you can see, nakahinay-hinay na naka-change na ang color kay hinahinay na matangtang ang mga dirt that's stuck in the brush. Just keep on repeating this until ang bubbles kay grabe na gid ka dirty, and then I repeat the process again. So for each brush, ako siyang ginay-nani twice para ma-make sure yun na, to make sure ang grabe na yun siya ka-clean. The first wash is done, and I'm going to repeat the process again. So magbutang masad ko, gamay lang yun kayo na shampoo. This small of a shampoo, then rub again. The reason why nga, tapulan yun ko nga mag-wash akong brushes because it takes a lot of time, you know? Mura gid kagapang laba og clothes. It really takes time. But it's really important to wash your brushes, guys, because bacteria will always build up sa imong brushes, and that will cause you breakouts and stuff like that. So that's why it's very important to keep your makeup tools clean. So see, ang second time kay grabe naka-clean ang bubbles. It tells me nga na-clean na ang brush. Ako na i-rinse, and I will move on to the second brush. This is what my blush brush looks like after washing. It's still wet, but this is what it looks like. Right now, I'm just gonna do the rest of the brushes. Then I will be back to show you how I clean my eye brushes because they're the same, but they're a bit different since gagmay kay sila. So I will be right back. Now finished with my face brushes. This is what they look like. Super clean, super pretty. This is what the other brushes look like. Super clean. Big brush. Now I am going to wash the eye brushes. So, apay nabilin. Since ang eye brushes kay gagmay man kay sila, they're like tiny. I am going to do like 2 or 3 at a time. Just the same, gibutangan na ako sila og shampoo. And I'm just going to swish, 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 and circle it around. So make sure, gyud na ako nga. Lisod kayo. So ako gyud na make sure nga ma-clean yun kay silang tarong. Just the same with the face brushes. I'm going to do each of them twice. So guys, I am not saying na muli ang correct way, you know, washing your brushes ha. I'm just showing you how I wash my brushes. Okay, para makabalupod mo on like makakuha mo mga insight or like, I don't know, tips on how to clean yours as well. So this is after the first wash. And I'm going to do it again. Kay twice man per brush. Now I'm just going to do all of my eye brushes, then I will be right back. I'm back and all of my brushes are now very, very clean. And now we will proceed to the next step. After ako na-wash ang mga brushes, mag-get dayon ko og towel, a small hand towel, and then ako din sila i-dry. So this is how I dry it. So this is what the brushes look like. They are now clean. This is what they look like. Ako na sila i-leave to air dry for a few hours, then I will be right back. It has been a couple of hours since I washed the brushes. So ako siya move sa room because we were gonna use the table ganina. It has been 5 hours since I washed and dried the brushes. Most of them kay dry na, especially ang kaning mga small brushes, they are already dry. However, ang kaning mga big brushes like the face brushes, kay murag they need a little more time. Pero gamay na lang kulang and ma-dry na gid sila fully. Of course, ang katod yung pinaka-fluffiest brush, pinaka-dako nga brush kay murag dry na siya diri na part, pero if kanang sa sulod kuha ko yan na kay medyo wet pa siya, like medyo damp-ish. So I'm just gonna pa-air dry it pa more, but I am very, very happy with the result because they look so clean and they look so fresh, and I can't wait to use them. Ako lang ba ang murag mas ganahan ko mag-make up if ang brushes or ang tools na ko gamiton is like new or like clean kayo. It's just, I don't know, murag makagana gid siya make up somewhat. That is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed and I hope that you learned something. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. See you soon! Bye!